Hey y'all, we've been working on this boots on the ground line dance in our Cascade Zydeco dances. In fact, we did it at a house party this past weekend. I just put a short up of me just doing it to the music. So if you learn by repetition, go watch that. If you want to learn this slowly, I'm going to show you right now. So there's a couple things to think about to be successful. One is, am I stepping, like stepping and bearing weight, or am I tapping? So come practice that with me a couple of times, just stepping in place. Step on your right, step on your left. So I'm shifting my weight to the right, to the left, step right, step left. Now let's try tapping. I'm going to tap my foot to the right, tap to the left, tap to the right, tap to the left. So that feels a lot different if I'm shifting my weight and bearing weight versus just tapping my foot. The second thing that's going to be helpful is thinking about these turns, where you're going to end up. So the first turn, you start pointing straight ahead, 12 o'clock. You're going to take 3 little steps to point to the right, or 3 o'clock. Then you only have 3 little steps to get all the way turned around to, 9 o'clock to your left. Okay, let's do a little bit of the choreography. Come do it with me. We'll go real slow. I'm going to start out. We start out with our little fans, but I'm going to show you that at the end. Starting out right, left, and then 3 quick steps. Right, left, right. Left, right, and then 3. Left, right, left. So let's do that again. Slow, slow, quicker, slow, slow, quicker. Or if you know cha-cha, you go right, left, cha-cha-cha, left, right, cha-cha-cha. That's part 1. Part 2, you're going to touch or tap your foot. Front, side, back, side. So again, I'm not bearing weight. I'm just tapping my foot. Do that again. Front, side, back, side. Try that one more time. Front, side, back, side. So that's different when I'm shifting my weight to just tapping my weight. This next part, we're going to do both. So I'm going to start by stepping on my right, tapping my left, stepping on my left, tapping my right. So do that a couple of times with me. Step on your right, tap your left, step on your left, tap your right. One more time. Step, touch, step, touch. Okay, let's do that whole thing twice through. Do with me. Slow. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Tap front, tap side, tap back, tap side, step right, tap left, step left, tap right. Do that whole thing once more with me. Slow, slow, 3 quick steps. Slow, slow, 3 quick steps. Front, side, back, side, right, touch left, left, touch right. So that's what I'm calling the first part. We've got a couple of turns, but it's the same foot pattern. So just do the feet with me first without the turn. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. We're going to add a turn now. I'm going to step right, step left, quarter turn, right, left, right. So I just turned to my right. I'm going to do a half turn on this next one. Left, right. I've got 3 steps to get all the way around. Left, right, left. So let's start at the beginning again. I'm facing front, 12 o'clock. Step right, step left, step right, left, right. I'm facing 3 o'clock. Step left, step right, step left, right, left. I'm facing 9 o'clock. We're going to stay here because we start the whole pattern over in just a second. But first we've got step right, step left, step right, step left, and then here's our little fan. We're going to snap our fan for 4 counts. Okay, so the fan snap, I just ordered these online. So they make this snapping noise when you drop them down. And so this is part of the dance, is you snap your fan. And the way to do it is just to hold, pinch it between your index finger and thumb, and then it falls down. Okay, that takes a little practice, but we're going to practice. Let's do the whole thing slow 2 times through. Right, left, right, left, right. Left, right, left, right, left. Touch front, touch side, touch back, touch side, step right, touch left, step left, touch right. Here comes your turns. Right, left, right, left, right. I'm facing the side. Left, right, left, right, left. We're going to stay here. Here's your steps. Right, left, right, left. Here's your fan snap. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, one more time. Whole thing through slow-mo. Right, left, right, left, right. Left, right, left, right, left. Front, side, back, side, step, touch, step, touch. Here comes the turns. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Stay here. Right, left, right, left. Snap, snap, snap. And once you get the hang of the snaps, you can add a little like stanky leg thing if you want to the end. Okay, so I was at an event last 2 weeks ago, and Sylvester was playing, and he played this song. And so I was talking to his wife, and she's like, if you guys know this, he's going to play it at Blues Fest, I believe. So I'm going to be down at Blues Fest Thursday with my fans if y'all want to come do this with me. We've been doing it in our Zydeco dances, our DJ nights, and we did it at a house party last weekend. The next DJ night is going to be Tuesday, July 7th at the Eagles, and this is all online. CascadeZydeco.com has our full schedule, and on Facebook if y'all want to come do this dance with me. See you soon.